In this video, I'll show you how to get free money in 1xBet. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel if you find this video helpful. So if you want to get free money in 1xBet, this is exactly what you should do. The first is come out to this page and then click on registration. This is the only way to get free money in 1xBet, and that's by clicking on by email. So if you choose registration by email, you have to fill in your details correctly and valid. So choose your country where you are from. Once you choose your country, your currency is going to change to that of that country, like the New Zealand dollar. Fill in your date of birth and your email address, and then create a password that has these four requirements. So to get free money, what you have to do, you are going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, OneXBet is going to give you 300% on your first deposit. This means that if you deposit 10,000, you are going to receive 30,000 as bonus, which is also free money sent to your OneXBet account. I can use to bet with and then withdraw to your bank account. So to get free money OneXBet, use the promo code LEOTV and then deposit a reasonable amount of money. The more amount of money that you deposit, the more free money you're going to receive. Once that is done, click on these three boxes and then go ahead and register your account. Let us subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this.